This video is made for educational and entertainment purposes. Do not repeat anything that you'll see in this video.
So, now I have a feeling that something's about to happen and I just can't believe what I'm seeing here. Hey everyone, Michael here, and I'm a crypto enthusiast, and I'm a huge fan of Ethereum because this coin has a huge potential to go to the moon because it didn't show any growth yet compared to Bitcoin, and actually it's the second best crypto out there, so I believe it's gonna go up. But actually, I don't like trading. I think trading doesn't work, so I'm not gonna do that. I decided to put to the test other ways to actually get some. So I decided to ask ChatGPT, and here I came across some crypto-related games, and I was kind of interested. So I'm gonna go here. This is my Telegram. This is my Telegram group. You can pause the video, by the way. And yeah, and here I'm gonna do something, guys. And yeah, before we move on any further, I'd like to say that I'm recording this for my friends, actually. I don't give any recommendations here. Never repeat things that I do here. It's just like my personal experience, and I'll be excited to rewatch it in a few years. So, right here, I got this game. Actually, I'm just showing you the interface because I really think that this interface is actually smooth. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow the steps here, just like that. One more step, and I'll be done adjusting the settings. Okay, I'm putting this in the chat. Alrighty. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna go here. Yeah, I'm gonna check if it's correct. Looks correct to me. And now I'm gonna wait till it's loading. Almost there, 33, 52. Okay, come on. Almost there. And yeah, done. Perfect. So now I'm gonna go with this first option, just like that. I'm eager to start playing, actually. So here, yeah, I'm gonna go here, just like that. Actually, I'm wondering what's gonna happen next. And yeah, I mean, here the fun part actually begins because I'm gonna start playing, and I have a feeling that it's gonna be exciting because, like I said, this gameplay, this interface, both look amazing. So now I'm gonna open the same tiles as on that picture, and just like that. Yeah, this interface is something. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna open these tiles at the bottom, one on the right side, and just like that. Yeah, it's a pure fun. I'm totally enjoying this. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there because I'm just gonna do something here. Give me just a sec. I'm just gonna choose this, then I'm gonna select all I have, and then I'm just gonna enter this thing right here, just like that. And yeah, guys, I remind you that I'm recording this just for my friends because I wanted to show them this fun because they don't believe me, and I don't recommend doing anything that I'm doing here. It's important. It's just my personal experience. I'm recording this for fun. So now I have a feeling that something's about to happen, and I just can't believe what I'm seeing here. It's just crazy, but it's just how it is. It's just how it is. I mean, it's pure fun. It's pure fun. I mean, all the details are actually here, and it's just, I just can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm totally speechless here. And I'll tell you what, my friends will be excited, actually. And like I said, guys, it's just for my friends. Never repeat this, and it's just for fun. So, see you next time.